cracked and with a wound, sap still in the grain, like it's ready to be born. I marked this line in chalk, then step back far away. That giant bird is waiting, I'll find him today. But the face is where I freeze. One wrong cut, it won't look back at me. I keep hearing that little carved in prayer. Get the beat just right, get the step. Badass ego, badass ego. Turn your head slow, let me catch that angle. Badass ego, badass ego. Wings tucked tight, just a little bit tangled. Will I get his face right this time? Will I get his face right this time? I chased the ball line lower, cut the eye a shade above, took out chips of daylight, till the sockets held some trust. His wings at his side, barely open, ready to fly, like he landed in the wood and never made a sound. But the face gets under my skin. I can rough the feathers out, I can shape the wind. Still I stand there squinting, sawdust on my boots, trying to pull a living thing out of a tree room. Yeah. Badass eagle, turn your head slow, let me catch that angle. Badass eagle, wings tucked tight, just a little bit tangled. Will I get his face right this time? Will I get